Alright, I'm going to show you how you can make an animated GIF of your fretboard diagrams using the Fretboard tool. And in the process of doing that, I'll show you a couple other features that are available to you to customize your fretboard diagrams. So first thing I'm going to do is create a G chord, and I'm not going to do anything special. All you need to do to start adding markers is to press the mouse down on the fretboard. You will add a marker if the fret is empty, and if you click on a marker, you will remove it. Once you're done with the chord, you can also add a description. So I'm going to add a label that says G chord. And then I'm going to save this to my collection of alternate diagrams. Since I have added only one diagram, you will see that the animation button is disabled. You also notice there's a new menu function next to the diagrams in the alternate collection. These are the timing controls. Each diagram can have the timing associated with it from a whole note to a 16th note. Now it's time to try out some new features. So I am going to go back and I'm going to clear out this diagram and I'm going to start creating a new chord. But this time I'm going to change the colors of the marker. I'm going to make the border red. I will make the fill color white and I'm going to make the text black. Then I want to show the notes on each marker. To do this, I will press the notes button, and as long as it is pressed, every marker you add will have a note. Let's add the C chord. Notice how each marker has the note labeled. If you want to display a marker representing a muted string, you can use the special X symbol and mute out a string by clicking on the nut. I'm going to give this a description, and I'm going to add this to my collection of alternates. Now that I have two diagrams in the alternate collection, I can press the animation button, and now you can see an animation of the diagrams listed in the alternates. The tool automatically creates an image of your fretboard diagrams and merges them together based on the timing of each diagram and the beats per minute you provide. So I can speed this up by making it 500 beats per minute, or I can slow it down by making it 100 beats per minute. Now I'm going to add another chord, but this time I'll go ahead and change the colors one more time. You can see there are several colors that are preset, but you can also add in a custom color code. I'm going to do the numbers option so that each marker I add will have numbers in it. When I click on the numbers button, it's going to let me choose the starting number, and I can select the option to have the numbers increment each time I add a marker, or I can adjust them myself with the plus or minus buttons. This choice really varies based on the type of shape you're creating. Now I'm going to make a D chord using the numbers option. I will also have to mute a few strings, and I will add the root note on the nut. The last thing to do is add this to the alternates collection. Now that I have my chords, I will adjust the timing to finish it. And then, by right-clicking on the animated diagram, the menu will appear, offering you various actions available in your browser to interact with this animation. You can open the image in a new tab, you can save the image to your computer, you can copy it and paste it into another application. The last thing I'd like to point out is that if you have an account with this, you can save your work. And after it is saved, you'll have a nice viewer which will display all of your diagrams, as well as an animated image that you can control the tempo of. Also, if you publish your work, you can share it. If you keep it unpublished, it is only accessible to you. Thank you.